Hi guys, this is Jort. In today's video we are going to check out the DIY detail wool cutting pads. I'm going to use it with cutting compound. It's done already, so that's why the car looks shiny. I had to record the beginning and end of the video after I've done it, but that's a long story. Let's roll. Alrighty, boys and girls, these were the DIY detail wool pads. They were cutting the scratches very well. I tried both. In the video you see, I think only the 6 inches, but I've tried both. What I wanted to show, the 6 inches was on the 25mm stroke machine, and it looks like it's about to let go. However, it still holds firmly, so it just the look of it. And the other one, that the 5 inches one that I used on my 15mm stroke machine, that is just fine. Other than that, they were linting, but all the brand new wool pads were linting that I've ever seen. So I suppose after a few uses, it is going to be a goner, this linting effect. But all in all, I can hands-on hard recommend. It's a good stuff. And that concludes the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the notification bell so you're not going to miss any of my upcoming videos. I'd like to say a big thank you for your time and catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.